Messages on the screen. Hello YouTube, I want to do a quick parts list on this Emerson television. Make and model is right there. That looks clear. Here's the what do you call it? Business card. Okay, I'm going to show you a parts list real quick. I believe this is the panel part number. That one here. Okay, and here's the power supply. It's just all you have is two boards. Power supply part number is right there. Okay, here's a little bit more information. Sorry, madam, maybe I shouldn't have used the flash, but I guess it works when I do this. Anyway, here's the power supply part number. Here's what the power supply looks like. Power supply. Here's some kind of part number. I'm not sure. That could be that ribbon cable part number. Okay, that looks great. And the main board is right here, and the part number is right there. All right, and here's all the inputs. I hope this helps. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, YouTube.